How to delete a poll in Facebook Messenger. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can delete a poll that has been started on your group on Facebook Messenger. Well, the step is actually quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. Simply open up a Messenger application and head into the group where there is a poll. Now you can see here I just created a group and started a poll here. Now if you tap on it, you'll get the option to vote. If you long press on it, it won't give any reaction whatsoever. So what you want to do in order to delete is you want to tap on the eye icon at the top right corner of your screen and then tap on three dots again, and there you want to tap on delete conversation. Now deleting this entire conversation is the only way you can delete a poll. Now if you delete this entire conversation, the poll will be removed as well. So if you don't fear losing your chat, then you can easily delete it. However, the other option is what you can do is you can disband this group or you can leave the group. So you can simply tap on leave group option and you can leave group. This is the only way you can delete a poll on Facebook Messenger. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.